Hi, today, I will talk about quick marking of a technological operations, treatments, processes and machining. In the general options of MacroSolid, it is possible to define those operations, names and values to use. We have planned special columns in the Bill of Materials table. Double-clicking with the left mouse button on the component cell in the appropriate column will mark the technological operation, treatment or a process. Marking is understood here as defining file properties, for example, laser equals X, bending equals yes or no. The functionality also supports order of defined operations. We have provided an option that collects information about defined operations, an option that will automatically create a summing property. You can decide which of the listed processes should be summed up. If you use X otherwise yes or no as the designation value, then the name of the operation will be used in the summing property. You can also select which properties are to be transferred automatically to components in an assembly when defining assembly processing. Double-clicking with the left mouse button on the component cell in the summing column will clear all markings of technological process operations. To mark even faster, select the rows of the Bill of Materials table with Ctrl or Shift, and select the appropriate option from the context menu. It is also possible to define machining, but taking into account their sequence. After enabling the automatic order option, clicking on subsequent columns will assign the next operation number. Along with writing the number, for example, laser equals 1, bending equals 2, the dedicated properties operation 1, 2, 3, etc. will be completed, for example operation 1 equals laser, operation 2 equals bending. In the Bill of Materials table, you can also list special columns OP1, OP2 etc. By clicking on a cell of this column, you will open a list of operations, which of course you can complete beforehand. By selecting an item from the list, you complete the property respectively, operation 1, 2, but additionally, also one property that can be summed up by all defined operations. The defining of surface treatment, or surface finish and heat treatment, works in a similar way. We have planned special columns finish and heat treatment, and the list is kept in a text file that you open from the MacroSolid options window. Thanks for watching. Please check my next videos. See you soon.